Hey students, I want to show you another quick demo. This one's simple and it's simply about how to make your screen zoom in. And I'm not talking about the normal command plus or command minus to zoom in and zoom out. This is where it zooms in on the entire screen. For example, if I wanted to look closely at mytroy.edu here in the upper left hand corner, I can actually just zoom in right like this. And if you notice, the entire screen is zoomed in. The cursor is larger, so you can actually make a point. And this might help you with some of your video tutorials. Doesn't happen by default on a Mac. You might be different for a Windows machine, but if you'll go to the upper left-hand corner up here, see the little Apple menu, go to System Preferences, and we're going to look for a place that's a little bit, it's not terribly intuitive. It's way down here, the very last one. It says Accessibility. Click on that, and you'll notice that there's these different assets that you can control. Zoom, these have all been selected, but select Zoom over here. And by default, that is usually turned off. It says use keyboard shortcuts to zoom, and you can see them. Basically, this means Option, Command. 8 is to toggle back and forth between turning it on and off. Option, Command equals, this says zoom in, but mine's been set to plus. I don't know how that's been changed. I guess the equal and plus is the same thing. Never mind. So I'm clicking on this, and now with my keyboard, I'm holding Option, Command. They're right beside one another. I'm hitting the equal or the plus sign, and my screen is zooming. Now to get over to where you want to go, you just kind of drag your cursor off, top, left, right, bottom, etc. But you can get to where you control that pretty quickly. And play with some of these others if you want to. Zoom style, picture in picture, etc. I'm not sure what that is. Let's try that. What does that do? Oh, so wherever you've moused over, you've kind of got a slight zoom. I guess you can zoom in on that just too, okay? Anyway, you get the idea. Play with that, and you might come in handy with some of the things that you would like to do.